main event of the night, which is a featherweight championship between John Laryea and Asamoah Gyan. By a technical knockout in the 5th round. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, the boxer they call expensive boxer, John Laryea.
So far, I've enjoyed myself. John Laryea, he's the reason why we are here, and that he put up a great performance. You know, so me and Asamoah Gyan, we are happy. The event is very, very good. You know, we've got a lot of upcoming boxers who are also here to exhibit their talents. You know, so we are happy for the victory today. You know, it's like a step by step. You know, we've got a long way to go. John, what I like about him is he's very, very serious. You know, he's very serious with his training, and although he's won the WBO African, we are happy for him, but we've got a long way to go. We are here to support the boys. We are here to support the boys. His manager Asamoah Gyan Mado is here. He's done an incredible job. When he started working with the boy, people thought he couldn't do it, but right now, look at where the boy is going, so we, as a good citizen, we are here to just support the boys, to push the boys to the higher level. So we hope for the best. And we wish John Laryea good luck, and the other guys who are also on the bill.
Yes, he's improved from what I know, and it means going to the next game he will improve again, and then definitely by the time he gets close to the world title, he will be somebody who can make us proud. I remember when I went to bring Nzoke Fana. He didn't want to come. I said, you come. And he said, so I know definitely when the time comes, expensive boxer will be in the ring to make Ghana proud as a world champion.
The way Kacha said, Juju is sports of what? Juju is training. So all my secret is training. All my everything is training. If you train, sleep, eat and sleep.
Okay.
I can't 3 months, never defend it. Semi defend that way. We know all world in suit. Promising Ghana for you and say, we more world title.
Okay.
When the manager say, Mr. Samuel Madu, me dana sipa, enemy coach Loris Kaloko, any assistant coaches do me chimi do money na sipa, say omanya time say they be ombaji me, omba check up on me, yes. So on catch him say me yes, me catch him say my bread, me say one day me need the benya.
Fight a very good fight, but you say left no, or mommy way, or say much doing because. The way I already fight in your crowd.
Referee no.
They already fight me. Say mommy goes. But me who say fight in the crowd say we are the best man.
I mean tonight we are the best man.
Yes, I mean
because you will also give you punches.
The way referee no you know. You say we are the best man, but because of only say me stop me. Because there is time for everything. Only pan now we see who mommy won. Me I say yeah. Me person me be full and say me stop fighting.
Nti enye say bia prana no we planning to them out stop here. But one or you want to stop because referee no wow.
Enye plan nti na me stop. Doctor no share we no see and stop. Oh no, catch your doctor me say stop. Me I say oh yes sir. Me I say say me stop because say you cry who we see say you cry be man say we stop the fight no. If boss no e ku bi enye we enye me last fight and the end of the we say me stop.